Welcome to Beary Bedtime, the place where little hearts come to rest and big imaginations go to dream.
Bonsoir, little one. Beau and I are all tucked in and feeling very comfortable. Mon petit Beau, look at him. He is like a little toasted marshmallow in his favorite navy star blanket.
I'm very cozy, Mama. My toes are warm, and I am ready for a story.
Are you tucked in tight too? Is your pillow soft? Are your covers pulled up to your chin? C'est bien. Now that we are all together, let's hear a story about a very windy night in the wood, dans le bois.
Do you hear that? Mama Bear is listening, not to the house, but to something calling from the quiet corners of the room. She turns her gaze away from Beau and looks deep into the velvet shadows. With a slow, gentle paw, she points to the edge of the chair. Watch closely. The air is beginning to shimmer like a dream. The walls of their cozy room are starting to fade away. As soft as a cloud, Mama Bear reaches out her fingers, brushing the air as if she's pulling back a heavy, invisible curtain.
Let us head into the windy woods. Can you smell it?
The scent of lavender is drifting away, and the cool, fresh smell of damp earth and pine needles is taking its place. The big floral chair is blurring, melting into the mist. 1 step, 2 steps, and just like that, the bedroom is gone. The giant, swaying trees are here to greet Mama Bear and Beau. They have arrived. The 3 little friends and Beau's stone house. Tonight, the grand vent the big wind is blowing. Whoosh! It is looking for a place to rest. Beau is thinking of his friends.
We must go into the woods. Voir si mes amis vont bien, to make sure they are warm.
Beau is reaching for his sachet and pulling out a small metal lantern. Flicker, flicker. Look! A warm flame blooms, casting a bright circle of yellow light that pushes back the hiding shadows. The wind is strong, and the little light has to work very hard to stay awake. It dances against the rough, giant trunks of the ancient trees, making long, silly shapes jump across the forest floor. The golden glow shows us the path ahead, but it also shows us just how massive the woods really are. Écoute! Whoosh! The wind howls, whistling from everywhere at once. Beau tilts his lantern carefully, shielding the brave little flame from the chilly drafts. The shadows jump back. They are afraid of our light. The woods feel huge and wild tonight, but we are not afraid. Holding his lantern tight against le grand vent, the big wind, Beau takes his very first step forward into the gale. This little light is our golden anchor. As long as it shines, we are safe. Le vent est fort. Beau's little lantern swings back and forth, dancing through the dark. Flash! Suddenly, the golden light finds something on the ground. Look! It is a pile of squished grass and broken yellow straws. Oh no! Someone's cozy home was just here. They find Le Petit Lapin, but his house, La Maison de Paille, has blown away.
Oh no! My house! It went poof! wind was too strong for my straw walls.
Don't worry. Lapin, viens avec nous.
Come with us. We will find a stronger place.
Beau leaned forward, tucking the scarf carefully around Le Petit Lapin to warm him up.
It is time to find our friend, notre ami l'écureuil.
Le grand vent. Now it makes a deep, steady rumble through the trees, Vroom. Holding hands tight, Mama Bear, Beau, and Le Petit Lapin step forward into the big forest together. They walk in a quiet, tight line, looking closely through the dark woods. Suddenly, the golden lantern catches a sticky, shiny drop of sap on a big tree trunk ahead.
Look, high up in the branches, someone is hiding.
They find l'écureuil. His house is made of bois, but the wind is making it shake. Tick, tick, tick. Listen. Squeak! High up in the branches, the big trees are rubbing together in the wind. Squeak! Beau lifts his golden lantern high into the air to see what is making that funny noise. Oh, look! The wind is playing a big game of push and shove with the little tree house. Whoosh! Every time the wind blows, the walls lean just a little bit to the left. Look closely through the window. There is their friend, l'écureuil. He is inside, waiting for Mama Bear, Beau, and Petit Lapin to help him down.
Ne t'inquiète pas. Don't worry, little squirrel. We are here.
Le bois is rattling. My stick house is dancing, and I want to sleep. Can I come with you?
The little tree house makes one last tired creak in the wind. It is time to move quickly. Beau does not wait. He puts his lantern down low and reaches out his little warm paws to catch his friend. Petit Lapin stretches his tiny paws out too.
Viens, mon petit ami.
Together, they help l'écureuil step safely down into the soft grass.
Merci, mes petits amis.
Hold pause, everyone. Vite. We must find the house of Pierre. We must find Madame Tortue.
Step by step, the four little friends walk carefully through the deep, quiet woods. Chut! Listen! The big wind is starting to whisper now, growing softer and softer. The dark trees open up, and look. Just ahead, a warm golden light is twinkling through the branches. It is a cozy stone cottage, tucked safely away from the storm.
Look, mes amis. I think we found it.
A beautiful, sturdy stone cottage with a glowing window and smoke rising from the chimney. The wind blows, but the house stays still. There it is, the stone cottage. It is solid.
Are you home, Madame Tortue?
Madame Tortue opens the door with a slow, kind smile.
Entrez, mes chéris, step inside. My house is made of pierre. The wind can sing all it wants, but these walls do not move. You are safe here.
Ah, look how warm it is inside Madame Tortue's strong stone house.
The little friends sit closely together right next to the crackling fireplace. Chut. Listen. The logs are softly popping, keeping everyone so warm and cozy. Madame Tortue is gently stirring a big pot of herbal tea to warm her sweet friends up after their long walk. Beau closes his eyes and takes a deep, sleepy breath. He can smell the fresh pine wood and the sweet herbal tea filling the room. The big wind is far away now, whispering softly outside the stone wall. Inside, Beau, Mama Bear, Petit Lapin and l'Écureuil are perfectly safe, warm and sound.
Bonne nuit, mes petits amis. You are safe at last.
Bonne nuit, mes amis. Bonne nuit à tous.
As the warm fire slowly turns to soft, glowing embers, the little friends close their heavy eyes. Phase Dodo, safely tucked away inside the sturdy stone house, they fall fast asleep. The next morning, the sun is rising. The old forest looks a little bit messy, but look, the sky is a beautiful, quiet blue, and the big storm is completely gone. Toc, toc, toc. Madame Tortue gently opens her heavy wooden door. Outside the cottage, le grand vent from last night has left its footprints everywhere. Beau has a big idea. It is time for a fresh new day of helping our friends.
Let's help our friends build houses that stay still. Everyone works together. We, Miss Petites Amies. I'll bring the moss for the floor. Ceci Dewey.
I'll bring the sap to hold the walls. C'est collant.
And I'll bring les pierres. 1, 2, 3. It is heavy, but we are a team.
One stone for me, a happy forest family. Main dans la main, hand in hand, the strongest house in all the land. Bonne nuit, my friends so dear. Love and warmth are always here. One stone for you, one stone for me, a happy forest family. Main dans la main, hand in hand. The strongest
By
house
sunset,
in all the
everyone has a house of pierre. They are all safe. They are all amis, friends.
Look how beautiful it is inside l'Écureuil brand new stone house. C'est si beau.
Bienvenue, mes amis. Come in, my friends. I made a warm honey drink and a sweet berry tart just for you.
To thank his sweet friends for all their hard work building his sturdy new home, the clever little squirrel has prepared a wonderful surprise. Everyone is sitting close together around the wooden table, their tired paws holding mugs of warm, sweet honey drink. And right in the middle is a delicious, fresh berry tart. Beau takes a happy, sleepy sip. After a long day of working together, their tummies are full and their hearts are so warm. Inside these strong stone walls, the storm is completely forgotten. They are safe, happy, and so very loved. Bonne nuit, mes chéris.
The houses are strong. The friends are safe. The forest is quiet. You did a good job today, Beau. Now, close your eyes. Ferme tes yeux. Feel your breath. Sommeil, sommeil, dodo. When the morning sun wakes the forest up tomorrow, you can bring all of our stone house adventures to life with your very own crayons. Oui, c'est magique. If your little ones love Beau, Madame Tortue, and the forest friends, you can find our special Beary Bedtime colouring and worksheet bundle in the description below. But For now, the forest is quiet and you are so safe. Bonne nuit, mes chéris. Ferme les yeux. Fais dodo.